Triangle. Inequalities in a triangle. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle in front of the greater side is the largest. In triangle ABC, where AC is greater than AB, then, as per this theorem, angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. In a triangle, the side opposite the largest angle is the largest. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is larger than angle ACB. Angle ABC is larger than angle ACB. Then, as per this theorem, side AC is greater than side AB. The sum of lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. As per this theorem, in triangle ABC, AB plus AC is greater than BC. AC plus BC is greater than AB. BC plus AB is greater than AC.